Hi again, it's good to see you. I'm Ashley Sue if you're new here, and we do videos on BTS, midlife, mental health, how these things fit together. And I have, for the most part, the last several weeks I've been doing the Rise of Bangtan, which has been an excellent series, and I am really loving it. However, I am running into roadblocks getting these videos published. For instance, let me look at my channel here. With Chapter 5 deleted scenes, I actually had to take that video down and republish it because of an awesome performance, them doing a cover of a song called Something, and it got blocked. Okay, it got blocked by KBS, so that's what that is. For the first time ever, and this is a little shocking, Hybe, in case you guys haven't noticed, Hybe doesn't block people's videos. Hybe blocked me from posting right here. It's blocked. Like, as you see, if you look at this, you can see I'm ineligible for monetization because Hybe claims all the ad revenue and monetization from any of the videos I do that have their content, and I'm all for it. Pay the boys. I'm not making money off of what they're doing. My life was saved. They can get paid. But this time they actually blocked me. The video was up for a couple of days, and that's the thing, is even once it's up, they can decide it isn't up anymore. And if I look at what the claim is, it's a 1 minute and 28-second clip, and it looks like it's the part where they're talking from the Red Bullet tour. So I'm super confused. I went ahead and disputed it because if it's a reaction video or commentary and you're not just redistributing the content, you are allowed to dispute it. They may or may not let the video go back up. Even if it goes back up, it may get pulled back down again. So I don't know how many of the Rise of Bangtans, or for that matter anything that I do, that's going to go up at this point. That said, we are still going to film this. I'm going to keep trudging forward because we have a great community here, and we're doing everything we can to celebrate the boys together. Butter, new release, Megan Thee Stallion. Let's get those streams going. Let's get those remixes purchased. Let's get that riding high on the Billboard 100 also. Also, Billboard's a really crappy company, and they just put out a very expensive magazine set. And yes, Rolling Stones also put out a very expensive magazine set they did not deserve to get our coin for, but I gave them our coin. I did. Anyhow, yeah, I got the whole set. I'm not buying billboards. Just gonna rip the photos off the internet and save that money for comeback, because we know an album is coming. Big announcement in like 2 weeks, whatever that is. So that's enough babbling. Let's get on with Chapter 6 deleted and bonus scenes from Cypher, Rise of Bangtan. I'm really excited. I want to do Chapter 7, but it's discouraging. There are several things that discourage a YouTuber very badly. One is when people don't leave any comments. 2 is when you get bombarded with thumbs downs. And then 3, when you start getting blocked, because I could just be sitting and watching this at midnight in my bed, but I want to sit here and like watch it with you, but that means I have to put my makeup on. And I have to edit it, which takes a lot more time than I wish that it did. Just because that's what anything does. Anything takes more time than you wish that it did. And to get blocked now twice in a row. So I'm nervous. Moving forward here, I'm nervous. But we're going to do it anyhow, right? We're going to do this. Let's get it. Anissa, you are wonderful. I want to say this every single video. Second year. Oh. Oh, I love them. I had such a healing weekend. I had a long weekend last weekend. It was horrible in some ways because some of my personal life is kind of horrible right now. And it was so healing in some ways. Thank you, my sister.
팬 여러분들에 대해서 되게 생각하는 바가 팬과 가수의
Success.
사이보다
Got army right behind you, baby.
여러분 사랑합니다. 사랑해요.
사랑해요, 보라해.
아, 되게 이상하다. 민망하네요.
앞으로 점점 더 사실 소년이잖아요, 저희가.
No.
소년이 점점 청년으로, 청소년으로 성장하는 모습도 보여드릴 테니까 앞으로도 저희를 약간 게임 캐릭터 키우시는 그런 느낌으로 저희를 이렇게 좀
Our own Tamagotchis. No, your people. Your sons, your lovers, your brothers.
저희 아미 여러분들도 너무나 사랑합니다. 저희랑 같은 길 걸어와 주셔서 감사합니다.
항상 되게 포기하고 싶고 되게 나는 안 될 거라는 생각을 굉장히 많이 가지고 살았는데 그래서 정말 진심입니다. 이거는 항상 하는 이야기지만 정말 사랑하고 정말 감사해요.
제가 빅히트 엔터테인먼트에 들어온 내가 2011년
Oh my gosh. November 2011. No one saw his face publicly until June 2013. Look at that precious baby face and how friggin' long. How did he feel for that year and a half? That is...
9월 때인데요. 완전 노력했는데 안 될 뻔했어요.
God, he's beautiful.
근데 그때마다 우리 멤버들이 맨날 뒤에서 우리 저 챙겨주고
I'm afraid this is gonna get cut. Red bullet tour.
그냥 우리
God,
멤버들
Hybe, please don't cut this.
저는 진짜 멤버들만 보고 살려고요. 멤버들이랑 같이 어디든 무엇이든 하려고요. 그때마다 옆에 있어 줄 거죠?
Yes! 네.
그러면 됐어요? 감사합니다.
가위바위보. 가위바위보. What's happening with the helmet? Oh, the helmet's a camera. I love that my kids don't know it as rock, paper, scissors, they know it as 가위바위보. And of course, V's like, I was ready.
전 촬영이 기대되죠? 이거 안 되는데요?
I wonder what it's like to be around each other's energy all the time. They all have such energies. I love that photo shoot. Your scene will change, mine did.
오 나쁘게 나오네.
Dear.
짜면 뮤비장이에요 뮤비장. 저 이거 뮤비장이에요.
Someone just told me that she saw them in that she saw them perform a long time ago. And so one of her memories is that J-Hope's energy just takes over everything. That it's, I feel that watching through a screen.
본인의 세포를 학대하면서 쾌감을 느끼는 것 같아요. 굉장히 위험한 친구입니다. 전전국과 사귀게 되시는 분은 참고하시기 바랍니다. 굉장히
Cookie is our little danger adventurer, right? I mean, I know that was kind of joking of RM, but that's. I love that they love this song. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. He is a rap line lover. Oh, so good. Yo.
리허설 끝났어요.
와 진짜 너무 더운 것 같아요.
죽을 것 같습니다.
아니 날씨 저 찍어줘. 날씨도 저부터
진짜 저 열사하는 줄 알았어요. 진짜. 더위 사세요.
잠시만요.
더위 사.
아 잠시만요. 아 붙지 마요 더우니까. 아니 진짜 날씨가 너무 더운데 춤을.
Is it me, or when they're filming, is it either like cold where they need parkas and giant coats, or sweltering hot? Is there an in-between in Korea?
아 진짜 너무 더워.
Does Korea have a good spring and a good autumn?
무신청 베이비.
안 그래도 땀 많은데
표정 보면 좀 귀요미한데 이러고 있어.
너무 둘 다 지범이네.
어땠어요 옷이?
저요? 너무 더웠어요. 땀을 지금 막 목여주고 있는데 진짜.
제가 살살 하고 싶어도 뒤에 계신 팬분들이 있더라고요.
그러니까요.
대충 할 수 없었어요, 그죠?
열심히 했습니다.
네, 열심히 했습니다.
That's awesome. Oh my god.
왜 목표 별로 안달이야.
힘을 쓰지 마라. 했다.
That video's good. That video's good.
일주일 만에 외워 다녔어.
I wonder what choreography. I wonder what choreography they found really complicated at first. That now they're like, that's easy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Jimin can't look angry. I fear for the person who actually sees his true angry face one day. Cause he more looks sad and heartbroken and a little desperate when he tries to look angry. I can't handle this song. His voice in this. It's the song of my life right now.
재밌다.
여기 어디요?
말로 형이 힘드네요. 제가 말투가 있는 편인데 그래도 딱 어른이 된 것 같아요 이제 뭔가 네, 제가 뭔가 그걸 줄 수 있고 사람들
Oh.
받을 줄도 알고
Oh.
그 시간에 보상받는 행복함을 느끼셨으면 좋겠습니다.
Isn't that huge? Isn't that huge? Listen to him. Just listen to his words. This is, I feel like I've grown. I know what I have to offer, but I also know how to receive. That's hard. That has grown.
딱 어른이 된 것 같아요 이제 네, 제가 뭔가
That's hard.
줄 수 있고 사람들한테 받을 줄도 알고
People tend to be one or the other.
행복함을 느끼셨으면 좋겠습니다. I'm happy.
제가 여러분들의 힘이 되어 드릴게요.
그래요. 엔돌핀이 되어드렸어요. 수고했어요.
진짜 이 기분을 어떻게 말로 표현해야 될지 모르겠어요. 인이어드리겠습니다.
재밌어요. 진짜 재밌어요.
너무 뭔가 천국에 온 기분이에요.
내가 전에 가슴을 꽂았더라고.
보자. 너무 재밌는 것 같아요.
They all say how much he told them that.
막 나오래요?
To enjoy the concert. The concert's the heart.
콘서트인 것 같아요. 너무 재밌어 진짜.
눈물 날 뻔했어요. 근데 좀
I love how many times they have cried on stage.
왜냐면 이게 끝이 아니잖아요.
Yes, you can. And the fact that he knows that now.
그래서 정말 나중에 아미들에게 완전 충분히 보여줬다고 생각하는 무대에서 울려고요. 아직은 아니에요. 너무
Oh, the fact these
너무 부족해요.
the fact these babies know it's okay to cry in front of Army, with Army.
얼마나 잘 감동했는지 모릅니다. 진짜 콘서트가 이렇게 재밌는 걸
건지 몰랐어요. 아무래도 처음 하는 거다 보니까 역시 생각했던 것만큼이나 더 재밌었던 것 같아요. 세상에서 제일 사랑합니다. 우리 엄마, 아빠만큼 사랑합니다.
Oh, God, these voice. Wow. Wow. Oh. Hi, but please stop blocking my videos. I love you and I want to watch this with my friends. I'm so happy for all of you. Oh, okay, for all of us who are going to, and I do mean going to, go to BTS concert when the new tour is announced, because the new tour will be announced. I look so forward to meeting you guys, to running into you guys, to... Oh. Alright, let's watch the bonus scenes. Bonus scenes usually make me laugh more, right? Let's do this. I want to rewatch all these already. I am not even halfway through them. And this is what I do though. I'll find something and I'll like rewatch it because I just want to absorb the information and the visuals. I don't want to forget anything. Look at those chains. God, how funny. Oh, that looks fun. It's fun playing by yourself. It's fun playing with friends too, but I love Jimin. Jimin, you're so cute. Oh. Oh, I've seen this clip. I didn't know what it was from. I still don't know what it's from. Is that Jungkook? Because Jungkook's a punk, yep. Jungkook's a punk. Oh my god. Poor V. Poor Taeyang. Have you ever done that? Have you ever spun so hard that you get a headache and you vomit and you're sick? Yeah. Oh, crying in those deleted scenes, man. Snot nose. Jungkook is such a punk.
사실 제가 이런 말씀 안 드리려고 했는데 저의 애인을 소개시켜드리려고 여기는 바로 목베기입니다. 인천공항에서 한 3만원짜리 목베기. 이거 없으면 사지 못합니다.
When you have to sleep in chairs and floors as much as they do. Yeah.
사실 제가 카메라 욕심이 그렇게 많지는 않아요. 저희 멤버들이 카메라 욕심이 굉장히 많기 때문에 가만히 서 있으면 멤버들이 이렇게 막 앞으로 막 들어오거든요. 그럼 이 친구는 제이홉이라고 저희 숙소에서 두 번째로 찾아오신 거예요. 촬영할 때 같이 계셨던 엠넷 아메리카죠. 스태프분이시거든요.
파트를 자연스러운 버전으로 아무거나 들어보세요.
Oh god. I'm gonna cry.
정상이 아니에요, 이 친구들은.
Oh my gosh. I wish I had that kind of body strength. What are they doing? They're just being chaotic. They're just backstage waiting. Oh my god. Jimin and J-Hope were roommates for like ever, right? For a long time. That kid is asleep. Look at him. He doesn't even have color in his face. He is out. That is an exhausted kid right there. How do they put up with each other? Oh my god.
아버지 슈가 형이
Our god of destruction.
시작했습니다. 네, 옆에서 레몬 형이 불을 한번 켜다가 혼자 쓴.
I've done that. What do you think just see? Oh my god. Look at how freaking beautiful they are.
해주세요.
Mom. Say something, Mom. Oh my god.
홍진중
I love it that RM is the leader of the group. And Suga's the dad and Jin's the mom. However, isn't J-Hope also kind of the mom of the group? Different mom? Oh, yeah. Been here, seen this. The hashtags are so good. Oh my god. The pivot was a little harder than you expected. Your body bends backward, but not backward and sideways. Oh my god. I always, my entire life, wanted friends and family that you can have that kind of fun with. That you can just be like, hey, let's do this. Hold on a second. Okay. Just hit a trigger toggle. This is some Blair Witch stuff. Leave a comment if you know what I'm talking about with the Blair Witch. My audience is wildly diverse, which I love that. I love that about you. I love that we're all very different. J-Hope's a big scaredy cat, right? That was awesome.
다음 타자.
How do they flick sideways? Two of them have flicked. Like, now I want to try that. Oh. 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 They are hard on each other. Is this something all guys do? Because every guy I knew did this kind of stuff in high school and college and their 20s. But I don't know any girls who played Kaibaibo or flicked the cap the furthest or least or whatever. so they could beat the crap out of each other. This is so foreign to me, but I see it around me. This is... They are not.
자기. 오랜만이야. 내 여자친구인데 굉장히.
They're not allowed to have girlfriends, right? I mean, not publicly.
기다려봐. 아미 오랜만이야. 우리가 오늘 활동이 끝났어. 그래서 또 갑자기 또 보고 싶은 마음에 이렇게 또 전화를 한다. 우리가 소개시켜줄 사람이 있어. 나랑 가장 친하고 가장 베프인 내 친구 비야.
여보세요? 아미야? 진짜?
That's cute.
야 안녕. 내 여친이라. 그래?
Yes, we will all date you. And if anyone said no to you, they're not real army.
따르릉 딸까? 뭐 하는 짓이야? 나도 지금 뭐 하는 짓이냐고.
이 빵이 더 맛있는 거.
Okay, what are you guys' favorite Korean foods? I just discovered a Korean store nearby, so I've been experimenting with Korean snacks and Korean meals. And there's a Korean restaurant inside, but I don't know what to order. Help me, help me, help me, please.
너무 어떡하라고요? Let's go. 이건 쳐야 되나 말아야 되나?
That song's a classic. I miss their harness phases. Look at that backless shirt. Kobe back.
네, 시작.
Okay, one of my favorite memories in my family, one of my nieces on a family trip together, a lake trip, and she was trying to teach everybody how to nay-nay. It was the year that, anyway, sorry, that just triggered that. I love you, Caitlin. Her teaching the nay-nay is the funniest thing
지금도 똑같이 전부 다 이렇게 랩을 지.
from any family trip ever.
자식 밖에 뭐 많아지 당연하지 마다 받으시라증 환자들 전부 사주다 break yourself and look in the mirror.
I love him loving the rap lines so much.
저울로 파르돌이 파르들 싹 스톱으로 넌 평화 자리들.
Why isn't V more in the rap lines? I mean, they're grown men. They're making their decisions for themselves and for each other. So, but damn.
숙소에서 가끔 저러고 놀거든요, 애들이. 침대에 누워서
The kids.
자거나 쉬고
Sugar.
저랑 슈가가 둘이 이렇게 침대에
They are mom and dad.
저는 어떻게 조용히 시킬 방법 없냐 이러고 있어.
Oh my god.
TV에는 우리 나오는 건가?
엄마, 나 저거 TV 나가고 있어.
Now you can't get off TV. Everybody wants.
근데 저희 멤버들 다 시끄럽습니다. 조용한 멤버가 없어요. 보통 팀 중에 한 명은 되게 덤덤하고 말없고 그런 멤버들이 있는데 어떻게 이렇게 하나같이 다 시끄러울까요? 되게 신기한 팀인 것 같습니다.
Oh, come on. Oh, sit down. 앨범 강해 주스 플리즈.
스폰지 어디다 놨었어요?
Oh my god, he sounds like a dinosaur. Sorry, I just went into a really serious place in my head because as I'm watching them, and watching them these initial couple years. Again, if you're new here, I'm Baby Army as of Dynamite. So and by Dynamite I mean like September and October. So it hasn't even been a full year for me yet. To realize how much hate, I mean to see, and it took time, but to have now seen how much hate is spewed upon these guys. And I still don't see how much because I choose to block a lot of that out. I will not follow people on Twitter who retweet or post about hate they're given, but I have, you know, there are Twitter gives me anxiety, but there are a lot of Twitter army that are the hardest working army out there. They are the ones who are sharing the education with new army about what the band and what army has been through, and not even just the sheer volume of hate directed at our guys, but the level of disgustingness of hate levied at them still to this day. That's the wild part to me, is the fact that just a week ago there were some South American radio hosts that were saying really offensive things about BTS, and they're people who haven't listened to them, people who haven't watched anything about them. I can't figure out why. Even if all you knew about them, take a photo shoot or video of them at their absolute most, dressed up in makeup and flamboyant, ridiculous clothing. How does that trigger people to hate them? Even if that's the only experience somebody had with them, is with them in like their brightest lipstick and pearliest earrings. How are there people who are so disgusted by that? And then if you watch anything about them, anything, and you just see they're people. And not only are they people, like some people talk about them like they're monsters of some sort, and I can't, that they're monsters because they're pretty and they're sweet. I'm baffled. Sorry. I was just watching those last clips of them playing together, and I'm like, all I see are really beautiful, sweet, kind people playing together and excited about life. How does that trigger the horribleness that some people feel the need to bestow upon them? Anyhow, that's not what we're here for. We are here because we love them, and because we know that they're wonderful, and because we are taking in more and more of their beauty, and we are reliving, watching them grow up and become not just the amazing, fun, inspiring, heartfelt kids that they were, but becoming the intensely talented, driven, loving men that they are, and that they continue to become as we get to know eventually the Bangtan Papas, and prayerfully one day the Bangtan Grandpas. What a blessing. It goes right back to what Rapman said at the beginning of this. Rapman, did you hear me? RM. As Namjoon was talking about being happy and growing and learning what you have to offer and how to offer it, as well as learning how to receive. I wasn't willing to receive for a long time, and I also had nothing to offer anymore for a long time. And when all of that, when I was at a make or break point with that, these guys here about 11 months ago found me and offered to be my shoulder and my support and my endorphins, and here we are. And I hope that I have a role in the collectiveness of ARMY that is also those things for them, even though they also have each other for that. And I'm thankful for ARMY because some of you are that, and I'm that with you, and man, it's a good time to be alive, even when life is hard. And I know for a lot of us, we're having some really hard lives and family situations right now, and some big growing pains as we figure out what the rest of our own individual chapters of lives are going to look like. But the fact that we are supporting each other through that, and have BTS to support us through that, as well as support them. And speaking of support them, stream. If you've got Apple or Spotify or whatever you are listening on, make sure you're doing it right. There are articles out there on how to stream properly to make sure your streams are counting as best as possible. Stream the Megan Thee Stallion The Butter remix. Let me know what you're thinking about that. Anyway, God loves you, and I love you, and BTS loves you. Please love yourself. That's all that any of us can want for each other. So we have to want it for ourselves too. And to go with the best cliche that says it all, no matter how you feel, you never walk alone. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye. And I really hope this video doesn't get blocked.